For about 4 months, making one picture of me took 5 separate model files stacked on top of each other, each with its own strength dial, and every one of them arguing with the others about what I was wearing. Last week, I replaced all 5 with one file. It's faster, it does what the prompt actually says, and it fixed a problem I'd been losing to since May. I'm Ilex. This is what it takes to actually train a character, and the 4 traps that nearly ruined the test. Here's the failure that started it. I'd write a prompt that said, buttoned white blouse, collar closed. What came back was a deep scoop neckline, every time. Not because the prompt was wrong, because the models I was built from had learned a shape, and that shape overruled the sentence. I fought it for 5 rounds of dataset work. I added negatives. I described the garment 3 different ways. I dropped the strength on the models I suspected. It moved a little and snapped back. When something survives 5 honest attempts, the problem usually isn't your prompt, it's your foundation. So we built a new foundation, and the training data came from the old one. 480 pictures of me, generated by the stack I was trying to replace. That sounds circular. It isn't. It's a ladder. The old stack was good enough to produce consistent raw material, and the new model learns from the material, not from the machinery. The sets were deliberate. First set varied the camera angle. Second and third varied the pose. Sitting, kneeling, crouching, lying down. Because everything in set 1 was a standing shot, and a model trained only on standing gives you a mannequin. The 4th and 5th crossed both axes at once, so it learned what I look like kneeling seen from behind. 2 rules did most of the work, and you can steal both. Name the footwear on every full-body shot or you get bare feet. And never leave clothing unspecified. An unspecified outfit is an invitation. Training gave me 6 versions. 6 snapshots as it learned. The last one is the default. The default is usually not the best one, and most people never check. Here's the test that actually separates them, and it takes 4 minutes. Same prompt, same seed, 1 variable, the version. 5 prompts each. A tight face shot, because that's the only framing where late versions differ. A full body. A conservative outfit. A real room. And a control prompt with no character in it at all. A middle-aged man in a red jacket. Because an overcooked model drags my face onto strangers. All 6 passed the control. Nothing was overcooked, which meant it came down to something smaller, and I'll show you exactly what it was in a minute, because it's the same thing that fixed the blouse. This is the part I tell everyone training a character. When we captioned the training pictures, we didn't just describe them. We taught it 3 deliberate words. A high neckline, a mid neckline, a low neckline, and applied each one consistently to the right pictures. And yes, we are sitting here talking very seriously about necklines. Look, sometimes I like to show off a little, sometimes I don't. I just like it to be my call and not the model's. Now those words are dials. Same prompt, same seed, change 1 word, and the collar moves exactly where I asked. The 5-round fight ended, not because I found a better negative prompt, but because the vocabulary was built into the model on purpose. And that's what settled the version question. On the middle rung, the second to last version covered too much. It played it safe. The final version rendered exactly what the caption meant. It tracked my words more faithfully. That's a real reason to pick a version, and it beats squinting at faces. Old stack against new. Same prompt, same seed, each one written the way it likes to be written. The new one rendered the outfit as written, cream crewneck, open jacket, trousers, on all 4 tries. The old stack put me in a deep scoop crop top on all 4 from the identical description. It's also about twice as fast. Where the old one still wins, warmth. It's got a richer, more stylized look, and the new model reads flatter and more like an actual camera. I got most of that back by swapping the base model. Same file, same words, different look, 1 field changed. But the honest headline isn't image quality. It's 5 files with 5 dials down to 1 file at 1 setting. Nothing to balance, nothing arguing with anything else. That's the part that'll still matter in 6 months. 4 things that cost me real hours. Take them for free. 1. These workflows ship with a prompt enhancer switched on by default, a language model that quietly rewrites your prompt before it renders. If you're comparing anything, it rewrites it differently every time, and your test means nothing. Turn it off, then verify it's actually off. 2. The official settings say guidance 0. Put 0 into a standard sampler and it ignores your prompt completely. I asked for a portrait in a studio and got this: an autumn avenue and a television tower. Use 1, not 0. 3. Anything you write in capital letters can come out as text in the picture. I wrote a layout instruction in caps, and the model set it as a magazine headline. Real cover, real serif, completely wrong words. 4. Negative prompts barely work at these settings. No text does not remove text, which brings me to the useful version of that idea. I wanted magazine covers. First attempts. The masthead came out perfect, and every smaller line was invented gibberish, because big type renders clean and small type doesn't. And because an empty cover layout is a vacuum, the model fills whether you asked it to or not. Forbidding it didn't work, so I stopped forbidding and started assigning. Name exactly the large type you want in capitals and give the leftover space an explicit job. The rest of the backdrop is clean, unbroken, flat color with no lettering. 8 covers, 2 seeds, 0 gibberish. The masthead and the headline you're looking at came out of the model. Every smaller line was composited afterwards, where type is crisp and I can edit it. That's the general lesson, and it's bigger than covers. Let the model do what it's good at. Do the rest yourself, and stop trying to win an argument with a negative prompt. Everything here ran on one graphics card in my own house. No subscription, no credits, nothing uploaded. The written version, the settings, the 4 traps, the cover trick is on askalex.com, linked below. If you're training your own character, teach it your own vocabulary. That's the part nobody tells you, and it's the part that actually fixed my clothes. I'm Ilex. Next time I'm putting 3 local language models in a room together: Gemma 4, Chuen 3.8, and Muse Glimmer, and finding out which one actually earns the card.